Ka North Eastern Hill University nya kasing baar kala jam sho uwei pat mawmer da ka Iasoi ka Memorandum of Understanding ni MOU bat nyotli ki Kynhun ki banakari bat nabari ban wanrah ya ki buit treikam bat thymmai bat ka jingiatreilang. Ya kate ka Iasoi ya ka MOU la penlong NEHU Shillong campus ha ka jingiatreilang u director ka IIM Shillong u Professor DP Goyal kumukong san. Kini ki Kynhun Iasoi MOU ki kintup ya ka Indo-Korea Business Cultural Center ban pinsedang ya ka jingpule ka Kten Korea NEHU ka ICAR Agricultural Technology Application Research Institute Guwahati na ka benta ka Kamrep Kamriang ka CSR BOX Foundation SMEC Trust ka Black Screen Studio Inc Mumbai na ka benta ki Kamshnaflim ka State Cancer Institute Guwahati Medical College banwat niya chapang ka Jimpang Cancer ka Jets 24/7 Shillong ka bansdang ya gajing kamay ki e-scooter bat e-rickshaw hapo ka campus lembat ka team lease EdTech Mumbai.
Important thing that I would like to mention is for the first time in the world, in the history, even now we talk about Google, much before Google. In NEHU, we are introducing multilingual dictionary. For language multilingual dictionary, Kashi, Hindi, Korean, English. This is going to be a new chapter of history, and I'm very honored to make it happen. Thanks to the leadership of P.S. Shuklaji, Professor Dakaji, and Professor Omkar Singhji, and Professor Saraji. And thank you very much, NEHU University.
Without the pedaling, they can go with Don't accelerate. 2, 3. Just like Good.